Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on message requests to contacts on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mic on now how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on save, then you come to next window here or your profile, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you this window, then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, then you just click here on social permissions, then you come to next window here, then you just click here on message settings, then you come to this window here, then you click here on contacts, then you come to contacts window here, and all you have to do, you just click here on message requests, and like you see now this color show for us, that's mean message request is turned on now here in this window. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.